Welcome to our latest video where we dive into the evolving world of bathroom design. Today, we're highlighting 6 popular shower trends that experts believe are on their way out. From all-white aesthetics to oversized walk-in showers, we'll explore what's losing its appeal and what you might want to consider for your next renovation. Join us as we uncover the shifting tides in shower design preferences. 1. All-white shower design. For years, all-white showers have been a go-to for homeowners wanting a clean, spa-like look, but recent data shows a major shift away from this trend. According to the National Kitchen and Bath Association's 2024 report, designers are increasingly opting for color and texture to create a more inviting and dynamic space. People are craving warmth and personality, says interior designer Emily Finch, who notes that all-white showers often feel cold and sterile. Sales of colorful tile and stone have jumped 18% since 2023, reflecting this change in preference. Homeowners are now seeking earthy tones, playful mosaics, and bold accent walls. Experts warn that all-white spaces can quickly look dated and are harder to keep spotless in busy households. As a result, the all-white shower is fading fast in favor of bolder design statements. 2. Built-in shower niches. Shower niches were once hailed as the ultimate solution for storing bottles and soap, but recent surveys showed they're losing favor due to practical issues. According to a 2024 House survey, 62% of renovators said their built-in niches collected mold or required constant cleaning. Designers are now suggesting alternative storage, like movable caddies or sleek shelves, which are easier to clean and adjust. Plumbing and construction experts report that improperly installed niches often lead to leaks and costly repairs. While they seemed like a clever idea, the maintenance headache is turning people away. Instead, flexible storage solutions that can be swapped out or cleaned separately are trending up. 3. Rainfall showerheads. Rainfall showerheads promised a luxury experience, but new research from Consumer Reports suggests they're not as practical as once thought. Many users have found that these showerheads deliver water at a lower pressure, making rinsing hair or soapy skin more challenging. In fact, a 2023 study found that 56% of users switched back to standard or handheld showerheads within a year due to dissatisfaction. Water usage is also a growing concern. Rainfall heads often use more water to create that rain effect, clashing with the 2025 EPA push for water-saving fixtures. Experts now recommend multifunctional heads with adjustable pressure, which offer both comfort and efficiency. As sustainability and practicality move to the forefront, rainfall heads are falling out of favor. 4. Frameless glass shower doors. Sleek and modern frameless glass doors once dominated bathroom remodels, but new data from the National Association of Home Builders points to a decline in popularity. Homeowners report that frameless doors are difficult to keep streak-free, and water spots quickly accumulate, especially in homes with hard water. A 2024 survey found that 48% of buyers now prefer partially framed or even fully framed glass, which are easier to maintain. Experts also cite concerns about safety, as frameless doors are more prone to shattering if not installed properly. Additionally, the rise in textured and frosted glass options offers more privacy and design versatility. This practical turn is shifting preferences away from the frameless look. 5. Oversized walk-in showers. Once a symbol of luxury, oversized walk-in showers are losing their shine as homeowners reconsider space and energy use. According to Remodeling Magazine's 2024 Trends Report, smaller, more efficient showers are making a comeback because they use less water and are easier to heat. Real estate agents report that buyers now favor layouts with both a shower and a tub, especially in family homes, over a single, sprawling shower. Energy experts point out that oversized showers can spike utility bills due to prolonged hot water use. Additionally, large showers often take up valuable floor space that could be better used for storage or other bathroom features. As people prioritize functionality and sustainability, the trend toward big walk-in showers is slowing down. 6. Industrial-style fixtures. Industrial-style fixtures, Think exposed piping and matte black metal. Once gave bathrooms a trendy, urban feel, but recent market analysis shows this look is waning. The 2024 Interior Design Trends study reports a 22% decline in demand for industrial fixtures in new builds and remodels. Many homeowners and designers now see these elements as too harsh or cold for a personal space like the bathroom. Maintenance is also a factor. Matte black finishes are prone to water spots and fingerprints, which can make them look worn quickly. Soft metallics and brushed finishes are replacing the stark industrial look, adding warmth and a more timeless appeal. As comfort becomes a bigger priority in bathroom design, the industrial trend is rapidly losing steam.